Good morning. So it is, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 3:28 in the morning. Getting ready for our Friday show here. Hello, Shmonty. As you can see here, I have an air horn. I guess we're going to call today Air Horn Friday. Hippie wanted me to pick one up yesterday after the show. So I did. And let's go give it to him. Right now he's locked in his fortress of solitude. So, poor little guy's not even going to hear me coming. Good morning!
Bastard!
It's Air Horns Friday!
That must have been a bitch in that little room.
Shmonty, weekdays from 5:30 to 10 on 93.3 KDKB.